Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Capital One for high yield savings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Capital One for a high yield savings account, begin by visiting the official Capital One website. Once on the home page, navigate to the savings accounts section. Look for the high yield savings account option and click on it. You will be redirected to a page that provides an overview of the account features. Take a moment to review the benefits, such as competitive interest rates and no monthly fees. If you decide to proceed, locate the Open Account button and click it. You will be prompted to provide basic personal information. Fill in your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Next, provide your email address and a secure password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your information safe. After filling in your personal details, click Continue to move to the next step. You may need to verify your identity, so have your identification document handy. Capital One might ask for a driver's license or another form of identification. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload or enter this information. Once your identity is verified, you will be asked to set up your initial deposit. Select your preferred amount to transfer into your new high-yield savings account. Choose a linked bank account for the transfer if prompted. After confirming the transfer details, review all the information for accuracy. Finally, click Submit to create your account. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is successfully opened. Keep this email for your records and to access your account later. Now, log into your Capital One account to manage your high-yield savings. Explore the online dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Start budgeting and saving towards your financial goals with ease. Congratulations, you are now connected with Capital One for a high-yield savings account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.